Can you imagine a country who have a best friend like Russia, who have a modern friend like USA, and who have more than 130 billion US dollar trade with China, and the complete world wants that country's support in this 21st century? Yes, you can imagine that country is India. Hello and Jai Hind everyone. Today my lecture topic is India's foreign policy. Friends, as we know, after getting independence of 1947, the complete world were divided into two blocks, Soviet Union and USA. But India has chosen its own way of foreign policy that was non-aligned movement, along with some other country. But after the Narendra Modi came in power in 2014, the foreign policy of India completely changed towards the multilateralism, and India's foreign policy become multilateral aligned foreign policy. You can just imagine the India's foreign policy in this century. Like today, India have not condemned Russia for the Ukraine invasion yet, and other country is also not more talking to condemn India, but India is not condemning. And today, USA, Canada, country like Europe, UK, and European Union wants free trade agreement eagerly with India, and UAE, Australia have already did FTA with India. And today, whenever any country talk on the free and open Indo-Pacific and on Indian Ocean, they want Indian support. Countries like France, Germany, Australia, USA, Japan, they all want Indian support in this region. And today, complete world diplomacy is in New Delhi, as we have seen in recently in G20 ministerial level meeting. And also the New Delhi become the center of the diplomacy for the world. So this is the new foreign policy of India today. Friends, after all this modernization of the Indian foreign policy, we have also major challenges. Like first is Russia-Ukraine crisis, in which India have not condemned yet, but the pressure from the USA, Europe, and some other friendly country still comes towards India. And USA have also talked on the various issues that India is not doing. So these are the concern. Also, Chinese debt policy for the neighboring state of India, like Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Nepal, and Pakistan, is become a threat for the Indian foreign policy. So, friends, in my conclusion, as today we can see India is president of G20. India have also got invitation from the G7 meetings yesterday. So these are the platform where India can lead the world, and India can solve many global issues today. And this shows the India's foreign policy. Today, India have to ensure the India's first policy that India always believe. And today, India can lead the world in the environment crisis, the climate change issues, some other conflict in the world that is going on. So India can lead, and India can use this G20 chairmanship, as well as India is the chairman of the SCO meetings for this year. So today I believe that India's foreign policy is going great. We just need some support from the friendly country as well as the neighboring country of the India. Thank you.